Hey guys, you can see this product page section, and I have created the same section exactly as it is in my Figma. And you can see the all of the layers are present right here, and I can go to each of the layer and I can edit, and you can see I can select the images and the thumbnails, and all of these areas I can select layer by layer. So I have converted this whole section into the Figma file um, within few seconds. Let me show you how. So here in this website, I just pasted the URL like this, and after I created this section, this specific section, so I just opened the console. Maybe you can right click and inspect, and using this arrow key, you can select this section, and in this section, you can see it has the ID. You can just double click and copy the ID, and we represent the ID by hash, and just paste the ID right here. So here I need the desktop design. I'll start converting, and you can see here my Figma design is converting. Uh, I just have to wait for few moments, and I will be able to copy the Figma design right from here and paste into the Figma file layer by layer. So instead of starting from the blank canvas, I can just convert any of a section and start from there. And you can see if I try to edit the text, the font is missing, but you can select any of the font right from here. Maybe you can upload your fonts as well, uh, but you get the idea. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know. I'll add the link to this website into the comments. Thank you.